the last episode, I revealed a plethora of brand new suspension parts I purchased for the car. I was so excited and could not wait to start installing these. Which is exactly what I did. I first installed the new lower control arms, followed by a panhard bar relocation kit. You know the old saying, in order to progress further you'll have to deal with some bumps along the way? I now really get what they meant.
Ow. That felt good.
After the relocation kit was installed, I finished up the episode by installing a brand new panhard bar on the Firebird. And now that you're all caught up, there are still a bunch more parts that need to be installed. So, I'll go ahead and spare you any more of my wannabe professor voice for now, and get back to it. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this episode. There has been some awesome progress made so far. The car now has a new crossmember and torque arm to complement the other parts that were previously installed. But there are still a lot more components to install, so make sure you stay tuned. I want to thank you all so much for watching, and if you guys like this series, please consider subscribing and also make sure to tap the bell to get notified whenever we upload a new video. So until next time guys, my name is Robert. Thank you all so much for watching United Brothers, and I will see you all again real soon.